Hey everybody, Daniel Mosnet here with Cowboy Charcoal. We've got an easy recipe for you, smoked cheese. We're gonna turn some ordinary grocery store cheeses like Longhorn, Sharp Cheddar, Gouda, and Blue into fantastic tasting smoked cheese. And it's really simple. Just take a foil tray, a wood chip tray, or any kind of an aluminum foil packet and light some wood chips. Today we're using hickory, but you can use pecan, apple, cherry, anything that you like. Fill this up and light the wood chips inside. You don't need any heat from the grill, and you're gonna let that smoke, just like I'm doing right here, for about 2 hours. You want all that smoke to envelop the cheese, and right there you have an absolutely fantastic appetizer just to eat alone or make grilled cheese sandwiches or macaroni and cheese. Anything you wanna do with cheese, smoked cheese is definitely gonna take it up a notch. I'm Daniel Mosnet with Cowboy Charcoal. Until next week, keep cooking with Cowboy.